Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever found yourself staring at rows of turntables completely overwhelmed? Wondering where to start without blowing your budget? Or maybe you're asking, what's the difference between a $200 turntable and a $600 one? Or do I really need Bluetooth for vinyl? Well, today we're breaking down the 7 best beginner turntables of 2024, ranked from good to absolute must-haves. Whether you're a curious newbie or a casual listener ready to dive deeper, we've tested them all, flaws, quirks, and triumphs included. Let's spin right into it. 7. Angel's Horn Vinyl Record Player. Priced under $150, the Angel's Horn vinyl record player is a tempting entry point for newcomers. Its retro wooden design and vintage hinges evoke a nostalgic charm, while the inclusion of a built-in phono preamp and stereo speakers makes it a plug-and-play solution. Unboxing, it feels straightforward. No complex setup, just a quick calibration of the belt drive. I tested it with a mix of old and new vinyl, from the Beatles' Abbey Road to Billie Eilish's Happier Than Ever. On quieter tracks, the sound is passable, but crank up the volume and the built-in speakers reveal their limitations. Mids get muddy and highs turn shrill. The turntable's tracking force is a concern. While it's advertised as gentle, my measurement showed it hovering around 4.5 grams, heavier than the recommended 2 to 3 grams for most cartridges. Over time, this could accelerate wear on your records. During testing, bass-heavy albums like Daft Punk's Random Access Memories cause noticeable skipping, a flaw exacerbated by the tone arm's lack of adjustability. You can't tweak the counterweight or anti-skate, which locks you into factory settings. For casual listeners playing thrift store finds, this might be tolerable, but collectors should steer clear. Build quality is another mixed bag. The wooden exterior looks stylish but feels hollow, and the plastic components beneath creak under pressure. The included dust cover is flimsy, barely staying hinged during use. Compared to rivals like the Crossley Cruiser, the Angel's Horn offers slightly better sound, but it's still a far cry from mid-tier models. On the upside, it includes RCA and aux outputs, allowing you to bypass the speakers for better audio via external setups, a small but meaningful perk. Number 6. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BW. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BW is a staple in the entry-level category, and for good reason. Its fully automatic operation, auto-start, auto-stop, and auto-return makes it idiot-proof for beginners. The minimalist design, available in black or white, fits seamlessly into dorm rooms or apartments. Setup took minutes. Just balance the platter, loop the belt, and you're ready to spin. Testing with Amy Winehouse's Back to Black, the sound was clean, with vocals cutting through clearly, though the bass felt underwhelming without external speakers. However, the AT-LP60X-BW's plastic construction is a double-edged sword. While lightweight and portable, it's prone to vibrations. Placing it on the same surface as my bookshelf speakers caused a faint but persistent hum during quieter passages. Moving it to a separate shelf helped, but the lack of adjustable feet means leveling it on uneven surfaces is a hassle. The non-detachable RCA cables also limit future upgrades. You're stuck with the built-in preamp unless you invest in adapters. Sound quality is decent for the price, but lacks dynamism. Highs on tracks like Fleetwood Mac's Dreams felt overly sharp, and complex arrangements, such as orchestral pieces, lost detail in the mids. The fixed tone arm, while user-friendly, offers no customization, so you're reliant on Audio-Technica's factory calibration. During a week-long test, I noticed slight inner groove distortion on 12-inch singles, a common issue with entry-level models. Where the AT-LP60X-BW shines is in its reliability. Audio-Technica's reputation for durability means this turntable can handle daily use without hiccups. It's ideal for students or casual listeners who prioritize convenience over audiophile sound. Just don't expect it to grow with your collection. Its limitations become apparent once you dive deeper into vinyl's nuances. Number 5. Sony PS-LX310BT. The Sony PS-LX310BT bridges the gap between convenience and quality. Its sleek, modern design and Bluetooth 5.0 support make it a standout in the mid-range category. Setting it up was a breeze. The The auto-calibrating tone arm and pre-mounted cartridge let me start playing Lord Solar Power within minutes. The Bluetooth pairing process was equally smooth, connecting instantly to my JBL speakers. Over wireless, the sound retains surprising clarity, though purists will notice a slight compression in dynamics compared to the wired RCA output. Sony's dynamic balance tone arm deserves praise. During testing, it minimized resonance even when placed near my subwoofer, a common issue with cheaper models. The built-in phono preamp is quiet, avoiding the hiss that plagues budget turntables. However, the lack of manual speed control is puzzling. While the automatic 3345 RPM detection works flawlessly, vinyl veterans might miss the tactile feel of a physical switch. Sound quality is where the PS-LX310BT impresses. Playing Kendrick Lamar's To Pimp a Butterfly, the bass lines were punchier than expected, and the mids handled the album's layered vocals without muddiness. The high end lacks the sparkle of pricier models, but for casual listening, it's more than adequate. The turntable's solid build, a mix of MDF and metal, adds stability, though the glossy finish attracts fingerprints. The PS-LX310BT's biggest selling point is versatility. Need to entertain without wires? Bluetooth's got you covered. Want to hook it up to a vintage receiver? The RCA outputs are ready. It's perfect for apartment dwellers or those with mixed digital-analog setups. While it won't satisfy hardcore audiophiles, it's a future-proof choice for beginners eyeing a long-term investment. Number 4. Fluance RT81. The Fluance RT81, $350, is where entry-level turntables begin to feel like legitimate audio investments. Its solid MDF plinth and aluminum platter give it a weighty, premium feel that immediately sets it apart from plasticky competitors. The included Audio-Technica AT-95E cartridge delivers warm, detailed sound, and the adjustable counterweight and anti-skate settings let you fine-tune tracking force, a feature sorely missing in cheaper models. Testing it with Pink Floyd's The Dark Side of the Moon, the RT81 reproduced the album's dynamic range beautifully, with Roger Waters' bass lines rumbling richly and David Gilmour's guitar solos cutting through crisply. However, the RT81 isn't without compromises. The lack of Bluetooth means you're tethered to wired speakers, which might disappoint those craving modern convenience. The included felt mat also tends to cling to static, causing dust to stick to records, a minor annoyance solved by upgrading to an acrylic platter, a $50 to $100 aftermarket add-on. During testing, I noticed slight motor noise at very high volumes, though this was only audible during silent passages. Where the RT81 truly shines is its versatility. The built-in phono preamp is clean enough for casual listening, but audiophiles can bypass it for an external one, unlocking even greater clarity. The walnut and bamboo finishes add a touch of elegance to any setup, making it a turntable you'll proudly display. If you're ready to graduate from starter models but aren't prepared to dive into the deep end of audiophile tweaking, the RT81 strikes a perfect balance of performance and practicality. 3. Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT-BZ. The Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT $400 is a sleek, bronze-accented turntable that marries modern tech with analog charm. Its standout feature is Bluetooth 5.0, which pairs effortlessly with wireless speakers or headphones, ideal for late-night listening sessions. The high-output moving magnet cartridge and aluminum platter deliver punchy, detailed sound, and the fully automatic operation, start-stop with a button press, keeps things user-friendly. Testing it with Anderson .Paak's Malibu, the AT-LP70XBT-BZ handled the album's funk grooves with energy, though the Bluetooth connection subtly flattened the track's dynamic peaks compared to a wired setup. Build quality is robust, with a vibration-dampening chassis that minimizes resonance. The adjustable counterweight is a welcome upgrade over Audio-Technica's cheaper models, allowing finer control over tracking force. That said, the glossy finish is a fingerprint magnet, and the plastic hinges on the dust cover feel flimsy for the price. During testing, I also noticed the auto return mechanism occasionally hesitated, requiring a manual nudge, a rare but frustrating hiccup. Where this turntable excels is bridging the gap between convenience and quality. The included dual-mode phono preamp, switchable between line and phono output, adds flexibility, and the minimalist design suits modern decor. If you want wireless freedom without sacrificing too much analog fidelity, the AT-LP70XBT-BZ is a compelling choice. Just keep a microfiber cloth handy for those smudges. 2. Fluance RT85N. The Fluance RT85N 500ers is a near-flawless entry into high-fidelity vinyl. Its standout feature is the Ortophon 2M Blue cartridge, a $200-plus value on its own, which delivers stunning clarity and detail. Paired with the resonance-killing acrylic platter, this turntable extracts every nuance from your records. Testing it with Miles Davis's Kind of Blue, the RT85N reproduced the trumpet's breathy textures and the double bass's woody resonance with jaw-dropping realism. The auto-stop function is a thoughtful touch, preserving your stylus when sides end. Build quality is exceptional. The gloss finish MDF plinth feels rock solid, and the adjustable rubber feet ensure stability on uneven surfaces. The belt drive system is whisper quiet, even at high volumes, and the included hybrid silicone foam mat reduces static. However, the lack of Bluetooth or a built-in preamp might deter some. This is a turntable for purists who prioritize sound over convenience. Minor gripes? The setup requires patience. Balancing the tone arm and aligning the cartridge demands precision, though Fluance's detailed instructions ease the process. At this price, the RT85N competes with turntables twice its cost, making it a steal for serious beginners. If you're ready to hear your vinyl collection with fresh ears, this is the turntable that will make you fall in love with records all over again. 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon Evo $600 isn't just a turntable, it's a gateway to audiophile nirvana. Hand-assembled in the Czech Republic, it boasts a carbon fiber tone arm for ultra-low resonance, a factory-mounted Sumiko Rainier cartridge, and a heavy MDF plinth that laughs off vibrations. Testing it with Fleetwood Mac's Rumors, the debut Carbon Evo revealed layers I'd never noticed before. Lindsey Buckingham's finger-picking on Never Going Back Again sounded tactile, and Stevie Nicks' vocals hovered in the air with holographic presence. The speed change mechanism, manual belt adjustment, is a nod to purists, though it might frustrate those used to push-button switching. The lack of a built-in preamp keeps the signal path pure, but it does require an external one, a worthwhile investment for those chasing pristine sound. The turntable's minimalist design, available in bold colors like sage green and midnight blue, is a statement piece that blends into both modern and retro setups. Is it perfect? Nearly. The felt mat collects dust, so upgrading to an acrylic platter, sold separately, is advisable. The tone arm's anti-skate adjustment also requires a steady hand. But these are nitpicks in the face of its performance. The debut Carbon Evo doesn't just play records, it resurrects them. For beginners willing to invest in a lifelong vinyl companion, this turntable is the ultimate starting line. Final thoughts. From the Fluance RT81's warm practicality to the Pro-Ject debut Carbon Evo's audiophile splendor, these turntables prove that beginner doesn't mean basic. Each model caters to evolving tastes, blending craftsmanship, innovation, and a dash of obsession. Whether you're chasing wireless ease or analog perfection, your perfect spin awaits.